When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out, but all these moments keep
To get started on this look, we'll be dipping into the brand new Carly Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration palette, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this look that I've been wearing constantly with this palette. So first we'll be dipping into Bybel, and here I'm using the A5 blending brush, and I'm using this as a transition shade, and I'm going to bring this color pretty high because I really want it to stand out. And this has been my favorite go-to shade. I just love how it really complements my skin tone, and I think it's great on brown eyes as well as like blue eyes, as you can tell from my contacts. It just really makes them stand out, and it's just so pretty. It's like a very nice, warm, purpley, mauvey shade. So you can see here that I'm consistently building it up. And then going into this gorgeous gold shade called Moo, I'm going to just put this on the lid, mainly on the inner half. And here I'm using a shader brush, and I'll link everything I use down below so you guys know exactly what I'm using. So here I'm just spreading it all over the inner half and bringing it down to my inner corner. And then going into My Angels, I just want to bring out that gold a little bit more, so I'm just dusting that right on top, and again bringing it on the inner corner. And then going into this rich cranberry raspberry shade called Stev, I'm just going to deepen up that purple shade and blend that in. And then to go even deeper, I'm going to use the shade Bowie, and I'm going really light-handed with those two shades that I just showed you. I just want to add a little bit more depth and definition and just really bring out that mauvey purple shade that I just used first. And then going in with Bybel again, I'm using the same brush, A5, but I'm flattening it with my fingers so that way it's more precise when I'm smoking out the lower lash line at first. And then I'll just use the brush as normal to really smoke it out and really fluff it out. And then next we'll be going into lashes, and here I'm using the Eylure London lashes, and these are in the style Marquise, and these are absolutely my favorite lashes right now. You can see that I'm using them in my videos consistently, in my recent videos at least. And that is it for the eyes. So for the base makeup, we'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder and foundation. Lately I've been skipping concealer and just using foundation, so I just like to spread and dot the foundation all over the place, including my under eye and on the sides of my nose to really get rid of that redness. And this has been my absolute go-to foundation right now. It is so gorgeous on the skin. I just love the luminosity it brings. And then I'm just layering a light layer of translucent powder right on top, and I really like this translucent powder. It really complements the foundation as well. It doesn't mattify the luminosity as much. It just sets the foundation enough. And then going in with the blush trio in the shades Pool Party, I'm using the last color to the right, and I'm just going to dust that all over the cheeks and nose. I'm going pretty light with the blush because I want the eyes to really stand out. Next, going in with the Dewy Set setting spray, I'll be spraying that all over the face to just set everything and bring back more of that luminosity. And then I'll just be fanning myself with the mirror. And then I like to dab right on the high points of my cheeks and basically where I'll be laying down the highlighter, so that way it doesn't skip, and I make sure that the setting spray is really spread out evenly. And then here I'm using the loose highlighter in the shade Snowflake, and I haven't used this shade in so long, but I just felt, I don't know, I was feeling that winter vibe, and I think it really went well and complemented the eye makeup. And I just forgot how beautiful this shade is. It's not like stark white, it really blends into the skin very nicely and just really emphasizes that glow. And then going in with the Fresh Sugar lip balm, this is in the shade Honey. This has been my staple. I've been wanting this lip balm for so long, and I'm so glad that I finally have it. I've been wearing it pretty much every time I wear makeup, or not even when I wear makeup, I just wear it when I go out. And then going in with the mascara, I'm just going to add some on my lower lash line, and then go back in with that flat shader brush to fix the inner corner. And that completes the look, you guys. It's super simple and super easy, yet it looks so, I don't know, it looks really sultry and very nice for the fall winter time. And I absolutely love how it goes with my sweater. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this look and if you plan on picking up the palette yourself. I'd love to know and chat with you guys. And also, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out. But all these moments keep reminding me of just how you can have the highs without the letdowns.